This is what I bought from Zara. This one is cute, sexy, flattering wraparound dress, animal print. One is so cutie. Just love it, but I need to put something in here. Kind of deep V neckline, and it's just like it's like that material, it's like a satin type material, and it comes with matching belt as well and wrap around style dress. It just like it, nice, perfect for party, or any party that you want to attend this coming new year. So I like it, and I really like animal print clothes. I don't know, I'm just really, this is my weaknesses whenever I see a animal print. It's just, I don't know, there's something in it. I just love it, So see, I like it. So comfy as well, and not too short. Perfect length for me. And with my Aldo boots. I never wear this for so long, Yeah, nice. With maybe nice handbag with it. Comes maybe black or brown. What you guys think? And another dress that I got is this one as well. It's so flattering as well. Perfect for party, any occasion. Just like it. And here's this other dress. So cute. It has like a cute detail here on the neckline. Just give it like a flattering look. And it's like a detail here. That area here, just as you can see here, this area here. It's nice detail. Just like it with boots or ankle boots. I'll try it with my ankle boots later on. And this is high heels boot. Just like it. I can zip it up all the way up. So just like it. Perfect for party. But here, I think I prepare it with over the knee boots, or this one is fine because it's freezing. And then I will wear a tights, maybe stocking, something like that to keep me warm. Yeah, it's so freezing cold here, so yeah, just nice. I like it, and so comfy as well. It's not too tight. By the way, this one is size medium, so true size. Go for your size because this is actually my size, medium. I just like it, so comfy as well. Here's with the here with my ankle boots. I think she looks okay as well. Yeah, looks sexy. Feel. So I look tall. Show more flesh and you look tall. Actually short. Just like it. I like it. Not too short as well. But a bit. Maybe I have to. If you are tall, this will be here to you. I'm 5'2.5", so nearly 5'3". So I just like it. Yeah. But where I'm going to wear it? There's nowhere to go. Can wear it at home, if I feel like I want to dress up, then I will wear this one with nice handbag. What handbag should I go for this? Any handbag, I think, right? Just like it. And as well as this one as well. This I don't have knitwear in my collection, so I need to buy more because most of my clothes are summer, because here in UK we have long winter. Keep me warm, not too itchy, and cozy and comfy. Probably style it with belt just to give it a nice wee touch. Yeah, just like it. More like a ladylike, but keep you warm in winter. Then just wear it with a long coat or above the knee coat. What do you guys think? And I think this this belt is fine, or maybe smaller as well, which is good, keep me warm. And this one is great for, you know, when you're running for errands or when I go to work. This one also perfect knitwear to wear at work. Accessorize it with, you know, belt or a boots. Comfy. All gray knitwear, just keep me warm in winter. Simple but elegant. I just love basic color, and I accessorize it with my belt just to give it a bit of a nice touch. Yeah, I like it, guys, and I can wear it with my coat, and it keep me warm as well. It's really comfy and cozy. I like it. What do you guys think? With this long coat, it's really keep me warm. This coat, I like it. And this is my Christmas gift, what I got from Christmas from my husband. It's cool. I got a hood in it, keep me warm with fur in it. Look at that. So just simple long puffer coat. Puffer really keep me warm. It's a zebra there. And it's just the fact that it has like a masculine, or it's really a skinny, six type skinny style. I don't know how you say this, but it's just nice. So you can wear it on top of your dress. This is my knitwear dress. Just yeah, it's cute.